Welcome to Rust Loops. Today we'll explore 3 ways to repeat code in Rust: the infinite loop with break, the while loop with conditions, and the for loop with ranges. Let's start with the basic loop keyword in Rust. The loop keyword creates an infinite loop that runs forever. We must use the break keyword to exit the loop. Opening NVIM to write our counting loop. We declare a mutable variable count starting at 0. Inside the loop, we increment count and print its value. When count equals 5, the break statement exits the loop. Let's examine our complete loop code. The mut keyword allows us to change the variable's value. Compiling and running our loop program. It counted from 1 to 5, then break stopped the loop. Now let's learn the while loop, which checks a condition each time. Unlike loop, a while loop automatically stops when the condition becomes false. Let's create a countdown timer for a rocket launch. Opening NVIM to write our countdown program. We start with 5 seconds remaining. While seconds is greater than 0, we keep counting down. Each iteration, we decrease seconds by 1. When seconds reaches 0, the condition is false and the loop ends. Let's watch our countdown in action. The while loop automatically stopped at 0. Liftoff. Finally, let's learn the for loop, the most common loop type. For loops iterate over a range or collection of items. Let's iterate through numbers 1 to 5 using a range. Opening NVIM to write our for loop. The syntax 1.6 creates a range from 1 to 5. Note that the end value 6 is excluded from the range. Let's see our for loop print the numbers. For loops are clean and simple for iterating over ranges. Use 1 equals 5 for an inclusive range that includes 5. Excellent! You've mastered 3 types of loops in Rust. Use loop with break for infinite loops, while for condition-based loops, and for loops for iterating over ranges. Keep practicing, and see you in the next tutorial.